Welcome. In today's tutorial, we will explore how to add or change the name of a group on Instagram using your PC. This new update makes it easier to personalize your group chats, ensuring they reflect the theme or purpose you have in mind. Let's get started. First, open Instagram in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the messages icon on the left menu. It usually resembles a paper airplane or a speech bubble. Click on this icon to access your direct messages. Next, navigate to the group chat you want to rename. You'll find a list of your conversations. Simply click on the group you wish to modify. Once inside the group chat, look at the top of the screen where you'll see the current name of the group. Now, click on the name of the group displayed at the top. This action will prompt a menu where you can select Change Name. Click on this option to proceed. At this point, you can enter the new name for your group. Think about what best represents your group's purpose or theme. Once you've typed in the desired name, make sure to confirm your choice by clicking on the confirmation button that appears. And that's it. You've successfully changed the name of your Instagram group on PC. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how members perceive and engage with the group. Remember, personalizing your group not only enhances its identity but also makes it more inviting for current and potential members. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for joining me today. Enjoy customizing your Instagram experience, and see you in the next video.